Hello students, today we will read ninth class English poem Rain on the Roof by Coach Skinny. So here I'm going to start with the introduction of the poem. From the title of the poem Rain on the Roof, we can make out that the poem is about the rain. The poet is telling us about the memories he has of the rain, the sound of the raindrops falling on the roof of the house and bring back sweet memories of the past. The past memories which belong to his beloved mother. So here I'm going to start with the stanza 1. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry chauffeur, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Humid, something which is full of moisturizer. Shadows refer to the moisturizer laden clouds which cast a shadow on the earth, hover, move around something, or float in the air. Melancholy considers sad, bliss, happiness, patter, sound of the raindrops falling on the roof, cottage chamber means the bedroom. So here the poet is saying when the humid shadows hover, the poet is saying that when the sky is full of these clouds, which are moisturizer laden, are full of water and all about to bring the rain. When such clouds hover, means floating in around the sky, जब वो sky में घूम रहे होते हैं over all the starry surface, पूरे आसमान में जहाँ पे stars होते हैं, at that time the huge clouds which are full of moisturizer move around in the sky, and the sad darkness of the night is swept off by the raindrop which seems like tear falling from the sky. द पोइट इज सेइंग कि तब वो जो स्टारी सरफेस होता है वो कवर हो जाता है एक सैडनेस, एक ब्लैक क्लाउड से जिसमें सैडनेस नज़र आती है, एंड दैट टाइम जब रेन ड्रॉप्स गिरने स्टार्ट होते हैं इट जस्ट लुक लाइक दैट द स्काई इज हैविंग टीयर्स. द पोइट इज कंपेयरिंग रेन ड्रॉप टू द टीयर्स, and he says that the dark sky, which seems to be very sad, it appears as if it is crying, and the raindrops, the tears shed by it. He added that it is like a blessing to lie on the bed in his bedroom and listen to the song made by the raindrops falling on the roof. तो पोइट बोल रहा है कि ये उसके लिए एक ब्लेसिंग है वन देयर इज़ अ रेन आउटसाइड, बिकॉज ही कैन ले डाउन इन हिज बेडरूम इन हिज चैम्बर and listen to the sound of the rain. Second stanza, every tinkle on the shilling and has an echo in the heart, and a thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start, and a thousand recollection wave their a thread into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So meanings: tinkle, sharp, light ringing sound, shillings, rectangular wooden tiles used on a roof, echo repeated sound, woof, weft like the thread woven across the loom, patter, a sound of the raindrops falling on the roof, busy being refers to beings, and here the poet is referring to himself actually. So the poet is expressing his feeling when he hears the raindrops falling on the roof of his house. He says that every tinkle on the shillings हैज़ एन इको इन हिज हार्ट, मीन्स जो भी एयर ड्रॉप उसके रूप पे गिर रही है उसकी इको उसके हार्ट में सुनाई दे रही है. वेन एवर ही हेयर्स rain falling on the rooftop and the sound repeats in his heart and in his dream, he has many different fancies, imagination, means उसको बहुत सारी imagination उसके mind में चलना start हो जाती है. He added that the sound of the rain falling on the rooftop creates many new dreams in his mind. He recollects many memories of the past which come back into his mind as a dream. जो एक जैसे ड्रीम एक सीरीज चल रही होती है उसके माइंड में ऐसे आना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. सो ही सेज दैट as he listened to the patter of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind, and the memories of the past come back in the form of dreams. Stanza 3. Now in the memory comes my mother as she used in year agone to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain which is played upon the ceiling by the patter of the rain. So, word array considered as old poetic word for before, dawn considered as when days break, list considered as old poetic word for listen, refrain considered as repeated part of the song or the poem. Here, the sound of the rain. So, here the poet introduces his mother. He says that he is dreaming of his mother, as he has told in the previous stanza that the rain brings memories of the past. It is the memory of his mother who is no longer alive. In the past, she used to love him a lot. She used to consider him a darling, and she would let him sleep till daybreak and have a sweet dreams. The poet can still feel that his mother is looking at him as he listened to the song made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his room. The sound of the rain makes his correlated his past with his present. That is why the poet is moved by the sound of the raindrops on the ceiling of his room. Whenever he hears this sound, it brings back memories of the past and he remained of his mother. So the poet is saying कि whenever he listened the sound of the raindrops on his ceiling, तब भी उसको उसकी मदर की याद आना स्टार्ट हो जाती है एंड जो अभी अलाइव नहीं है. So he just remember how his mother admire him, praise him, call him darling, these kind of things he just remember when there is a rain on his roof. So the message of the poem Rain on the Roof is that nature has significant effects on humans. The falling of the rain affects the emotions of the poet. He begins to memorize his past, especially his mother and her love for him. In a way, the rain heals the poet's inner self as it heals the earth. The poet feels blessed while listening to the sound of the rain. So, better revise this whole poem completely